Okay. Now we're going to sing 3 songs and learn them with sign language. The 3 songs out of Pooh's Friendly Songbook. The first one is going to be The More We Get Together. So more, you put your fingers like this and you tap them together. The more we get together, you put your fingers and thumbs like that and put them together, knuckles, and you go around in a circle. So the more we get together, 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 the more we get together, the happier. Happier goes like this. Happier we'll be. So let's try that one more time. The more we get together, 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 the more we get together, the happier we'll be. For your, you put your hand flat forward. I know you is pointed finger forward and me is pointer finger to me, but we're saying your friends and mine. So you put your hand flat forward. For your friends. Friends, you take your 2 fingers like this and you interlock them this way and that way. For your friends are my, tap your chest twice, my friends, and my friends are your friends. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. Let's sing that all together, okay? The more we get together, 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 the more we'll get together, the happier we'll be. For your friends are my friends, and my friends are your friends. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. We'll put all 3 songs together at the end without having the teaching together. The next one we're going to do is row, row, row your boat. Row, row, row your boat. To row, did you see he has a paddle in his hands? You row, 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 row. So you're putting your fist like this, like you're rowing. A boat, you put your fingers tips together like this and thumbs up, and you're pushing the boat forward, forward. Row, row, row your boat. Gently is you touch your finger to your cheek, tap it twice, gently, gently. Good. Down the stream, stream, you take your 2 fingers on both hands and you make a river or a stream. So gently down the stream. Let's put those together. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. The next is merrily. Merrily means happily. Merry, like you clap. But you put one hand this way. Merrily, 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 merrily. Life is your middle finger going upward twice on your chest. Life is but a dream. Dream comes from your brain, and so it comes outward in a circle. You circle it, your hand, and you bring it out. So let's put those together. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Are you ready to put it all together? Let's try. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Very good. The next song is the jump rope song. It's about Winnie the Pooh and Tigger turning around, touching the ground, and they're jumping rope. Pooh and Tigger turn around. Turn around, you take your index fingers of both hands and you spin around like this. Turn around. Touch the ground. You use your thumb with your 4 fingers, like you're feeling dirt between your fingers. So ground is you feel them like this, and then the land. You put your hands out like this, touching the land. So it's turn around and touch the ground. Pooh and Tigger, turn around. Pooh and Tigger, touch the ground. Next is Pooh and Tigger, count to 2. Count, you put your fingers like this and your other hand like that, and you're just like you're writing, but just go straight out twice. Count to 2. Make sure when you do 2, your fingers and your palm of your hand is facing you, because with numbers, fingers facing outward means something different numbers. So count to 2. Pooh and Tigger, count to 2. Thank you, that'll do. So let's put that all together. Pooh and Tigger, turn around. Pooh and Tigger, touch the ground. Pooh and Tigger, count to 2. Thank you, that'll do.